Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, I have my S20 Ultra, but what you didn't know, it got cracked. So I bought this case. I will leave a link in the description for the case. So when I buy this case and I go to put this case on my phone, take it out of another case, I realize the phone that it's cracked. So I go on Amazon and I get this back cover for the phone. So I'm gonna use it to fix this one so you guys can see, hopefully be successful. So let's see if I have what it takes. I'm gonna open that right there. So this one I buy come with some tools in it. So I will leave a link in the description for it. So, and it also come with that camera. It come with the camera on it as well. So hopefully it have some good lens on it, because I don't want to have to take it off. But when I take off my one, I'm gonna compare the lenses on this one to my one. If it's good. If it's not good, I'm just gonna swap this piece also. So first thing first, get a heat gun, heat the phone up. And also don't forget to turn off your phone. Oh. So once you get it hot enough, you can check it to make sure it's hot enough. So you just want to heat it up as hot as you can bear it. That's pretty hot right there. And move around the phone. That will soften it up some. Oh yes, it's softened up. So once you got it, in, you can start working your way. And you can use some of these pick just to hold a space like this. You can put the pick inside. So while working, if it get cold, if it start getting hard to go through the thing, just heat it up some. And guys, you know I don't know what I'm doing, so if I can do it, you know what that means. You can do it as well. So I'm just gonna leave something in right here. That's good. I'm gonna try and pry this up. So mine is coming off in pieces. As you know, it's my back screen. My back glass is broken. So I'm gonna put probably use this some more to slice through the adhesive, because this is kind of harsh. And you might want to wear like safety glasses or something. Just have glass flying all over. I just turned the phone on by mistake. So there you go, guys. It's off, so I'm gonna get rid of these glass and then I'm gonna come right back. But it's saying that because I just go ahead and turn it back on. This happened because I pressed down on the volume key. So it's turning on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off. So yeah, guys, if I can do it, then you guys can do it. All right, if I can do it, you guys can do it. I'm gonna avoid it. So I'll just put this back because I have a screen protector on the phone and it's sticking to the surface because the surface is really smooth. So let's get the back glass and we're gonna check the camera hole, make sure the quality of the lens is good. So we're just gonna open this bag right here. I'm gonna make sure the quality of the lens is good. So this is the quality of my lens. Well, it seems to be the same, even though it's not original. So I got a piece. So once you remove everything from the phone, you want to get your new case, your new screen. well, not screen, your new cover for the back. And you want to peel this portion off, so hopefully it come up in one piece, because you got to peel it and then stick it down on the new back on your phone, I should say. And this one doesn't have the mic that's on the box, so we gotta put the mic that goes on the back. So just take your time. Alright, take your time and peel these off. Alright guys, so now that part off. So once you take off the blue part, you can go ahead and peel this part. Just take your time, guys. So if you are in a rush, don't even try to start this job. Just take your time and it will get done properly. So once that is done, you want to come and line up. But before you line up that, I almost forget the camera for the back. So you want to make sure you have your camera for the back. Not your camera, your microphone. So you want to get your microphone. Let me use a plastic. So get your microphone. So it looks like you have some adhesive on it, so I'm gonna be using some heat. So what I'm gonna do is heat it from this side right here, because I don't want to damage the circuit on that side. So just gonna heat it from this side right here, and this just get the adhesive warm, so you can take it off. That should do it. So as you can see, it's coming off just like that. And you want to put it on your new you're gonna put it on just like that, just the way you take it off. So that's there pretty tight. Now it's time to put this part on the phone. So I'm just gonna wipe all this fingerprint out and put it on. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and just lay it properly. Once you lay it down properly, you can go ahead and press it down. And no, you don't need to heat it to glue it, because once you remove the tape, once you remove this right here, it will glue down properly. Is it waterproof? That I don't know. So that's it, guys. Go ahead and turn on the phone, make sure everything works. So it's coming on. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down all the fingerprint off the phone. And just like that, we have a brand new back that's not cracked anymore. Please go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe to the video. Peace out. See you next time.